In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Evergreen FXX account, right? So it's very simple. I'm going to go straight to log into your back office after you must have registered, right? After you must have registered by filling the form and clicking on the link to activate your account. The next thing you just need to do is to log in. If you're already in, the next step is very simple. All you just have to do is to generate your invoice and make payments to the receipts, to the invoice that they will give to you. Okay, so if you are new, if you just registered, you are going to see this screen just as it's displaying on my screen. So the next thing you just do is to click on this subscribe. You click on subscribe here. Once you click on subscribe and then click on pay now, can you see pay now? Now the company uses an automated system, and what will happen is it's going to automatically generate for you a USDT account. Remember, we pay using USDT. It's going to automatically generate a USDT account for you, which you transfer the money into. This is the USDT amount, as you can see. So all you just need to do is to click on copy, then go to wherever you're sending from. If it's from Binance, if it's from maybe Binance or whatever, you just come over here, click on withdraw. So if you're using Binance, for example, I'm just showing this for demo purposes, you simply click on withdraw, select the currency you're using. In this case, we're using USDT TRC20. Please pay attention. Let me see if I can walk you through it. So this is USDT, as you can see. You simply click on USDT, select send via crypto network, as you can see, then click on got it. Then you paste the wallet address. That's this wallet address I just copied here. Can you see? Copy it here and then paste it here, right? You paste it here, then you click on select network. You simply click here and then you scroll to, remember I said TRC20, this is it. You select it, right? Then click on confirm. Then you enter the amount here. So for the fact that Binance charges at least $1, I think around $1 or so, you will need to send 201 if you're using Binance, so that the total amount sent, you can see, is going to be equivalent to 201. And you can see here the received amount should be at least above 200. Once you do that, so because I don't have enough, it's not going to show you. So but once you do this, you simply click on withdraw and then go through the process. Once you do that, you just leave it. It will automatically just activate once you receive the money. It will automatically show you that it has been activated. So that's how simple it is to make your payments for the subscription. And then once you make the payment, it's going to show you that you've subscribed successfully, right? So that's how simple it is. If you have any challenge, feel free to chat me up. If you're new or if you need to get registered, you feel free to also check the link in the description, and you sure find the link to be able to get started. This is a very wonderful platform. I think everybody should get acquainted to. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.